Let's talk about funnel systems. Okay. You're going to hear this term a lot, especially if you're going to do the online biz thing. Okay. So if you're an affiliate marketer, network marketer, all right, or maybe just a marketer without anything in front of that, and you're going to do it online, the word funnel is going to pop up. Okay. A lot of people think of a funnel like, put it on top of your engine and pour motor oil into your engine. Okay, that's a funnel. And if you live in the Midwest, a funnel, isn't that a tornado? All right, I've heard of a funnel quite a bit because my whole family, Draper family, is from Iowa. Okay, but when it comes to what the heck is a funnel online, I'll tell you, I wish I knew what a funnel was, and I wish I started using one day one. Okay, I've been doing affiliate marketing or online marketing 2 years in March. So in about a couple weeks is my 2-year anniversary of doing this business. Okay. I've learned a ton. All right. I've learned a lot and I want to pass that on to you. So if you're starting right now with zero experience, good. I'll be as honest as I can about my experience. Okay. Because the quicker and the sooner you get to money, all right, especially if it's affiliate marketing to where if you sign up with me, I'll probably make some money, right? And maybe you'll make money with me because I'm very successful at signing up people. So it's nice when you have an opportunity where if you sign up with somebody that's pretty darn good at what they're doing, maybe some of the moolah can trickle down. Okay. But if I can make you duplicate and make money, that mission accomplished. Okay. Of course I want you to sign up, but I want you to make money every month, especially if my affiliate business pays month to month to month to month, reoccurring. Is it recurring or reoccurring? It's recurring, I think, if I say it right. So I want to teach you exactly everything that is working for me. Okay. I don't read a book, memorize it, and then try to tell you about something that I memorized 25 minutes ago. I would rather tell you what's working for me at the end of February 2025. Okay. That's when I'm making this video. Okay. Let me just show you what I do, okay? I'll try to do it all in, how about 10 minutes? You got 8 more minutes? All right, thanks, guys. Okay, I'm really good at getting business cards made. You can get them made anywhere. If you just want to sit on your computer and design them real quick, go to vistaprint.com. I think they're the best. They got like 10 million examples or templates, designs. I like mine simple. Okay, I went to GoDaddy. I think they're the best. I actually have 91 websites with those guys. Okay, you can call them 24 hours. There's always a human. Or you can go online and get your own domain. But I bought pleasewatchvideo.com. I built this little card online. It took about 15 minutes. And now all my business cards look like this because they're effective. I rounded the corners for like 25 cents. I use a white font with this simple pleasewatchvideo.com screaming, okay, off the business card. You got to admit, if it's on a wall or if it's just sitting on a desk, you can see the link, okay? And you can put your name or email address. Less is more, though. With a business card, you just want people to go to a link, click it, and watch a video. That's how this funnel's set up, okay? So pleasewatchvideo.com. I want you to go to that link because you're going to see this page now that's on your screen. I want you to watch this YouTube video. It's awesome. It's entertaining. It's well produced. And I didn't have a thing to do with it. Okay? Because as an affiliate, this company does all the work. They do all the heavy lifting and the marketing and the credit card processing. They just do everything. All I get good at is inviting you or people just to go to a link. Now, you see on the top of your screen, I highlighted multiple income funnel, blah, 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 blah. Okay, there's no way it's going to look good on a card, or if I put that in an email or something, it looks awful. That's why I'm a big fan of trying to get real simple names, not taken, and they're about $11. Pleasewatchvideo.com, and then GoDaddy for free bounces this link to this link that I just highlighted at the top of your screen. So people come here, they watch this video, and then if you want to click here to earn big, it'll go to the next page and you can figure it out if you want to join or not. Okay. But the nice thing is this company takes over. And if you want to put your name and email address in on the next page, they'll send you 1 email a day just to give you more information about the opportunity. And if you want to opt out, you can. If you want to delete this email or this video or what you're watching right now, you can. Okay. But the trick with this funnel system is where video does everything. Okay? Now, let's just go and let's pretend that you signed up and you said, you know what? I like this funnel system after watching this video because it explains everything in greater detail than what I'm doing right now. Okay, if you're going to sign up with this funnel system, it is 4 incomes with 1 click. Okay? Now, when you hit step 1, 2, 3, 4, this box right here is going to tell you exactly how to set up the funnel. Okay? Now, you're going to put 2 of your own businesses in 4 funnels. Okay? And I'm going to show you. So relax. This is all set up one time. You're going to get a link. And if you want to do what I do, get pleasewatchvideo.com. That's it. One and done. Set it up. It's real easy, guys. Okay, so follow step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, let me just go to the My Business page. I got to log in here. So you're going to log in. You're going to go into your back office. And it's real simple to navigate. You guys will figure this out. And there's full customer service. There's Mandy and Greg. They're both, let's see, Greg and his company, they're based in Florida. All right, Tallahassee, if I remember right. And then Mandy, she runs all the customer service up in Canada. And they're both just great people, guys. You're not going to be alone and not know what to do. We want to get you set up so that you can earn money as fast as possible. Okay? Now, step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just remember, you're going to follow the videos that pop up in this rectangle right here. And what I've done, see these 4 incomes? I equate it to like a taco bar or a salad bar or an ice cream stand. All right? You need ice cream, hot fudge. Oh, how about some whipped cream and cherries on top? All right, those 4 items would be pretty good. Or a taco. How about taco shells, meat, cheese, and how about some hot sauce or sour cream? All right? That's why I like a funnel system. They all complement each other. These businesses here, the multiple income funnel is this business you're looking at now. This can earn you a substantial amount of money. A lot of $20 bills and a lot of $200 bills. Okay? When you join this opportunity, yes, I earn a commission and thank you. Okay? But see number 2 and 3, Legacy Builders Program and My Lead Gen? If you're in another opportunity online, affiliate marketing, it could be a ClickBank, it could be an MLM, or maybe you own your own pizza company. You can put your own income website link in number 2 or 3. I highly suggest you look at Legacy and My Lead Gen. They're awesome. Okay, now see number 4? This is built in. Number 1 is the funnel system owned by this company. Number 2, Traffic Authority is also owned by this company that owns the funnel you're looking at. Traffic Authority to me is like the Harvard University of leads, clicks, and education. Okay, you can buy just great fresh education from Traffic Authority, and guess what? I'm an affiliate with them for $20, and I can earn commissions with them. All right, I'm a big fan of earning commissions. All right, especially when I just set up and invite you to do one thing, which is click a link and just go through the process. So if you have an opportunity already, great. You need 2 because number 1 and number 4 are locked in with the company. Okay, now I have 7 incomes. All 7 produce money every day. Otherwise, I get rid of one that's a dead link. This company alone, just on the multiple income funnel, is awesome. People need this funnel system. It has customer service, credit card processing. All right? You can earn real good money even if you don't have number 2 and 3. And even if you don't fill this in, it'll fill in other opportunities. You won't make commissions from them because you have to have your own, in number 2 and 3. So just relax, though. We'll figure this out. It's easy. And if you want to join Legacy or My Lead Gen or a couple of my other opportunities, all right, I'll send you an email exactly how I configure it. It's easy. I mean, it'll take 5 minutes. If not, customer service can help you. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it nice to know that if you do, yes, go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Just remember, you're going to watch this video, and it explains everything way better than what I'm doing right now. Okay, so rest assured, you're not going to have to do a video like what I'm doing. If you don't want to do any video, just relax. Video is already made. Just get good at emailing people. Okay, just get good at putting on social media. Hey guys, there's an opportunity here to earn money online. Go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Hey guys, if you're struggling and you're not getting traffic or any results with 1 or 2 of your online businesses, check out pleasewatchvideo.com. This funnel system might be what you're looking for. Okay. This is what I do all day. All right. And I'll tell you what, when you make $20 commissions and $200 commissions each day, wow. I can't guarantee your results, but I'll tell you what, if you make it fun, and this capture page, do you see this palm tree page? I didn't create any of this. You just go in your back office and they have tons of templates. All right. These are just called capture pages. And I just like the one with the palm trees. I'm just a big fan of summer and the beach. Okay. If you want to use this page, it's awesome. It's just called Capture Page 1. All right. You're going to have your own link. And just sit back, guys, and relax. Don't get intimidated. You're going to log in. These are just all watch videos, how to set things up. If you don't understand, just hit rewind, rewind, rewind. And if not, Mandy, Greg, and one of his partners down in Florida, they can help you out. Okay. Just remember, you need to fill in 2 income streams. All right. And we'll figure it out. You just get excited. All right. There's tons of resources. There's training. Okay. And all you got to do is just click a link and let's get you going. Okay. This is just an amazing opportunity. I'm so glad. I've been with this company about 1 to 1.5 years. I usually am number 1 or 2 in the company just about every month when it comes to the multiple income funnel, as far as getting leads, traffic, generating money. Okay. And how I achieve this result is just by making it fun and easy. Business cards, Vistaprint. All right. Go to GoDaddy. Get a nice little domain name you can put on a business card. Have GoDaddy forward, pleasewatchvideo.com, just to the capture page. Okay. Right there. And that's it. Just repeat every day. Make it fun. Make it simple. Just remember, after you set everything up once, you're done. All opportunities, each opportunity has its own customer service and setup video. Everything I do is all the same. Buy or just join. Go ahead and watch setup videos. And if I don't understand something, have customer service help me. I always get the same business card. I always get fun domain names that are like $11 at GoDaddy. And they're all forwarded to a video that explains the whole opportunity. That's it. Okay. So, all right, pleasewatchvideo.com. Guys, thanks for your time. I have a good time just meeting with you guys like this, and especially talking about the multiple income funnel. All right, pleasewatchvideo.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and peace and love, guys. Okay, have a good day.